Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay. We're here at the Extron Experience Center here in Las Vegas ahead of InfoComm 2026, and I'm back with Peter Ganay with my second video with Peter today, who is the manager of product development, and he's going to talk to us about the DTP CrossPoint 42 USB. Did I get that right?
You got it. That's a mouthful, sure is.
This is it, right?
This is absolutely it. They are compact. It's our first DTP3 CrossPoint matrix switcher that integrates video, audio, and USB switching all into one compact box.
So it's a half rack, or is a half rack, 1U high box.
Absolutely. It integrates video and audio as well as USB switching. As you can see, there's 4 inputs here. Essentially, 3 of them are HDMI. 1 of them is USB-C that supports USB data as well as video, and 100 watts of power delivery, which is awesome to charge all these power-hungry laptops. It's perfect for integrating USB and video into solutions such as UC spaces, high-flex solutions, classrooms, lecture halls, anywhere you need to integrate USB devices such as USB 3 or USB 2 web cameras, as well as host devices like laptops and things like that. Not only does it support USB and video switching, but it also has 2 independent scalers, as well as USB 2 extension on twisted pair up to 330 feet with one of our DTP3 311 receivers.
And does this support CEC to power the devices, the displays?
Absolutely. On our HDMI outputs, we support CEC insertion through our Ethernet port, so you can control devices like the display devices through CEC on the HDMI outputs.
Okay, and so this is designed sort of like as a presentation switcher for a classroom at its core, right? But it can also you could use it as the central controller for any size conference room or meeting room as well.
Absolutely. You can use it for UC spaces, as well as lecture halls, high flex rooms. Anywhere you just basically want to switch, as well as integrate any USB devices, as well as video.
Yeah, all in one. All right,
all in one compact box.
All right, so when is this available?
This is actually available now.
Okay,
so it's shipping a couple weeks ago.
Okay, so this just started shipping a couple weeks ago. It's very, very small. I'm very impressed with the design of this, and obviously it's controllable through all the Extron control system products, and you can pair it with any of the touch panels or push button panels or whatever you want. In fact, you've got some options here as well. Here you go. There you go.
Absolutely.
Here as well. Yeah. And the half rack is just because it doesn't need to be larger, or is it designed to be paired with another product logically as well?
We kept it in a smaller form factor just to be able to have it in discrete locations, especially in a lot of UC spaces where there's not a lot of rack spaces. There may not even be a rack in that space. You may have it in a lectern where space in the lectern is a premium. So we wanted to keep it really compact. So it's feature packed. It's got the USB video switching. It's even got 2 built-in individual scalers, one for the local HDMI out, as well as for these 2 outputs that are grouped, one for DTP, as well as the HDMI output that's mirrored.
I can imagine that this would be partnered with an amplifier as well, right? I mean, that's kind of the logic, I think.
Yeah, you can pair it with one of our Extron amplifiers. It's got an audio de-embedding. It's got the switching, so you can pair it absolutely with one of our Extron amplifiers.
All right, excellent. So this is, again, is the DTP CrossPoint 42 USB. There is logic to that naming, right? 42 as in 4x2. DTP3 is the series. CrossPoint is their switching. And it's all already available, and you can see it, all the details, if you want the specs, at Extron.com right now. But we've got a lot more here to cover here at the Extron Experience Center here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So if you want to see all the videos we're going around shooting here, all you got to do is go to ravepubs.com/infocom and then type in Extron in the video search window. Peter, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Congratulations on this, and we got a lot more to do.